Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kaduma and today I filmed this red lip classic glam makeup tutorial for you guys. I recently did a poll on my Instagram asking you if I should do a black smoky eye or a red lip, and the red lip won, so I decided to do it first. Also, before we start up, I'd really appreciate if you guys took a minute and subscribe to my channel. It would really mean a lot to me, and let's begin. Hello again. So first up, I'm going to do my brows, and for that I'll be using soap. If you guys don't know, soap has been on trend for a long time now, and I really enjoy doing my brows with soap. So first up, I'm taking gulab gel and I will spray it on my soap. You can also use water, it just works fine. And then you will take a spoolie and scrape the soap out of it. So then you take the spoolie and push your brows upwards. This actually works better than a brow gel and it is really cheap, so it is a win-win situation here. Now I am going to fill in my brows using the Rimmel Brow This Way. I guess that's the name, yeah. So I'm just making hair-like strokes and nothing much. I like to keep my brows very simple, and I'll just make hair-like strokes and fill them in. Your brows actually frame your face, so if you have a different way of doing your brows, go ahead and do that. This is what works best for me, so that is what I'm doing here. So now I'm brushing my brows one last time to make sure the product is spreaded evenly. Now I will be cleaning my brows. For that I am using a tiny little brush and some concealer. So I'll just place the product right underneath my brows, just cleaning it, making it neat and sharp. It really gives a crisp look, which I love. Also, I quickly wanted to thank everybody for the support on my last video. I think we hit almost 800 views and 100 subscribers, which is insane. I am beyond thankful to each and everybody who watched my video, subscribed to my channel and liked the video. I am really thankful, and it motivates me to make more content, to do the hard work and get it going. Thank you so much, you guys. Now for prepping my face, I am using the NYX Honeydew Me Up Primer. I recently got this MAC foundation samples and I am in the shade NC25, so that is what I'm going to use as a first layer of foundation on my face. I love mixing products, so here I'm using the Ordinary Serum Foundation. I don't exactly remember the shade name, but I leave each and every product that I use in the description box below, along with the shades and also the link wherein you can just click it and go purchase a product if you are wanting to. By the way, I don't make any profit out of it, just say. Drag the foundation down your neck if you don't want to look like you have a mask on. So for concealer, I am using the Elegant Pro Conceal in the shade Natural and blending it. Okay, an important tip: if you have hollows underneath your eyes, just take a lighter shade of concealer and put a dot in the inner corners of the eye and blend it very carefully. Do not drag the product down, just keep it in the inner part of the eyes, and this shall give you an illusion of a fuller under eye. Also, make sure you're blending in your products seamlessly to look as natural as possible. Wow, can you see the difference? We basically deleted our under eyes. Okay, now I'm using my beloved Flower Beauty Miracle Glow Powder to set my whole face. Now with the help of a blender, I am pressing the powder onto my face. For contouring, I am using Hoola by the Benefit, and I am going to contour the usual areas of my face underneath my cheekbones, my nose a little bit. I didn't go super ham with the contour because I was going to top it up with a bronzer. Now I'm using the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer and bronzing up the skin. I'm also placing the bronzer on my nose with the help of a little brush. So now I'll be using the PAC Makeup Fixer to make sure that the powders that we have layered on our skin just settles down. Okay, so for blush, I will be using my old and dirty BH Cosmetics nude blush palette, and I am using a very peachy brown shade, and I am going to apply it on my cheeks. I'm also applying the blush on my forehead, my nose, my chin, because I can't help. And then I'm using the LA Girl eye pencil, and I'm going to line my upper waterline. I'm curling my lashes because I'm going to be applying falsies. If you do not like applying false lashes, you can just go on with the mascara. Applying false lashes can be a lot of pain, and I have not mastered the art of it yet. Here I'm using the Pro Arte lash. I applied packed glue on it. I am blowing some air so that it gets tacky, and then you place it right above your lash, natural lash, and boom, 1500 minutes later I am done with my falsies. So now I am going to spritz my face with the PAC's Makeup Fixer again. I didn't apply any mascara because I had nowhere to go and I just watched Netflix for the rest of the day. So now I'm using the highlighter. This is the Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter in the shade Molten Gold. I'm applying the product on the lids and the inner corner. I actually did not apply any sort of bronzer or any kind of eyeshadow on my eyes because I wanted the skin to be very glowy and the focus to be the red lip because I didn't want it to be super overwhelming. The usual exclamation mark on the nose, and now it's time for the lips. This is the Lakme Kareena Kapoor Khan lip definer in the shade Crimson, and I'm going to line my lips and also fill it in. For lipstick, I am going to be using one of the most classic shades of red. I think this lipstick is meant for each and everybody, no matter how deep you are or how pale you are. This is the MAC Retro Matte lipstick in the shade Ruby Woo. cleaning my lips with some concealer. Okay, we are almost done, and now for the last step I am going to highlight my face, my cheekbones, my forehead and my chin with the same highlighter that I used earlier. That's it for the video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed watching it as much as I did creating it for you guys. And if you really liked my video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up so that I know, and subscribe to my channel. I love you all. Thank you so much. Bye. I'll see you in my next one.